If your RCA universal remote isn't controlling your Emerson TV yet, I'll show you two easy ways to connect it. We'll begin with the automatic code search, then I'll show you how to enter a code manually if needed. First, switch on your Emerson TV using the power button on the TV itself. Now grab your RCA universal remote. Press and hold the TV button, then while keeping it pressed, also press and hold the power button. Wait until the power light comes on, then release both buttons. Point the remote directly at the TV. Press the play button once and wait a few seconds. The remote is now checking a group of possible codes. If your TV doesn't respond, press play again. Continue pressing it every few seconds until the TV powers off or shows any sign that it has recognized a command. Once the TV reacts, you're close. Now press the rewind button, one press at a time. This cycles through the individual codes inside that group. As soon as the TV responds again, you found the correct match. To save it, press the stop button. The programming is now stored in the remote. Before you're done, test the important buttons like power, volume, channel, mute, and input to make sure everything works as expected. If the automatic search doesn't pair your remote, use the manual programming method instead. Turn your Emerson TV back on and aim the remote toward it. Press and hold the TV button. While holding it, enter the code 1864. After entering the code, release the TV button. Now press the power button. If the TV switches off, the remote has been programmed successfully. Turn the TV back on using the remote and check the main controls, including volume, channel, mute, and input to make sure everything is working correctly. If code 1864 doesn't work, try the other Emerson TV codes from the list. If none of those work, it's likely because different RCA remote models use different code libraries. Visit remotecodes.com, find your exact RCA remote model, and use the Emerson TV codes listed for that specific remote. Once you've found the correct code, repeat the programming steps until all the buttons function properly. And that's it! If this guide helped you out, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick TV setup and troubleshooting tutorials.